Hello Matrix, and welcome again to the last lesson on our accepted reasons for your geometry paper 2. So most of you guys have done all of these shapes way before in grade 7, so a long time ago. It's just a matter of making sure we get these reasons correct, and as you can see, they're very short, so not going to waste a lot of time here. If we're given that ABCD is a rhombus, we know that all 4 sides are equal, and so we can say that AB equals BC equals CD equals CA, and that's this one here, sides of a rhombus. Okay, and then we also know that the diagonals, so let's look at the diagonals. And we'll put the diagonals in a different color. Let's make them yellow. And what we know is those bisect at 90 degrees. So these are all 90 degrees. And we know that's equal to that, and that's equal to this. Okay, so if we were to label this, let's just label this, we'll label it Z. So they bisect at right angles, so we could say that then AZB equals 90 degrees, and the reason we'd give is diags of a rhombus. And also you could do the same, BZC also equal to 90. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect the interior angle. So what that means is that this angle here, let's do that in a different color. We know that then ZBC equals DCZ. So these are equal. These would also be equal. Okay, so we can say that DCZ equals BCZ. And the reason is diags of a rhombus. Okay, so that's what we get from the rhombus. Now let's look at the kite. Oh, sorry, the square next. So that's red. Very quick. We know that a square is all, the sides are all equal. So that would be sides of a square. We also know that these would be 90 degrees as well in a square. So they haven't put all the very, very obvious ones, but you might need to get that one, get those ones. And the same with if this was a rectangle. So let's say that JKL was a rectangle, you would know that like a square, JL equals KM. So JL equals KM, diags of a rectangle. And for this one, it was just, we can put that in there. JK equals KL equals LM equals MJ. That was that one. Okay, and then finally, let's look at a kite. Okay, so with our kite, we know that these bisect at 90 degrees, the angles. And just EG bisects HF, not the other way around. So we know that that's equal to that. But obviously, EI, we can see is not equal to IG. So diagonals of a kite are 90, so basically that means that FIG and all of these are equal to 90. So FIG equals, and we'll do one more, we'll do EIH. Okay, equals 90 degrees. Okay. And then we also know that HI equals IF. And again, These are all the reasons are the same. Diags of a kite. Diag of a kite bisects the opposite angles. Okay. So that's not these ones, that's these ones. So we could say that these are equal. Let's do a different color. Have I got any color? I got orange. Okay, let's do that. So we know, and also these are also equal. So I'm just going to do the one, and we'll call this E1 and E2, just to make it easy. So that last one is E1 equals E2, diags of a kite. Okay, so those are your geometry reasons. Get them right so that you make sure that you don't miss out on 1 or 2 marks, because these are what your examiners are looking for. I'm going to probably do a functions video next, although if you are in the geometry playlist, you'll probably see my next geometry video. So yeah, hopefully that helped. If it did, please like, subscribe down there below. Find it on your screen. Help support the channel, and I will keep helping Matrix. And yeah, I will see you soon.